Hi, welcome to Bella Stitchery. Can I just start by saying I love when my sister cleans. Every time she goes into organization mode, she shows up in a van and drops off a bunch of craft supplies. So thank you, Jackie, for this Sassafras Lass collection, which I don't know about you, but do you remember this brand? They went out of business a few years ago and they were one of my favorites because they're so colorful, happy. If you have used this in the past or remember this brand, leave me a comment, say hi. Love it. It's like a Sassafras community reunion. I know there's some of you out there. The only issue I ever had with this brand was it's so busy, so happy and loud that what do you even do with this? I would buy it all when it would come out and then I would just keep it all because I love it and I like looking at it. But the print is so dense. It's really hard to design around. So I want to give you two different ideas for working with really busy prints. Graphic 45, another great example. Gorgeous illustrations, kind of tricky to use in a real way. So the first one we're going to make together. I am going to use this one. The back, super cute, very busy, but this other side here kind of looks like a notebook. And I like it because it is easy enough on the eyes to build on without competing too much with some of these like wackier stickers. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to use a dinner plate for a template. Again, if you've used this trick, it's kind of fun. You feel kind of like, I don't know, you figured out some mystery of the universe. But I'm just going to make a circle. It's a great way to make circles if you're not good at freehanding circles, which who is, right? Okay, there you go. Nailed it. Plates. It's not just for chicken, you know what I mean? So there's that. And then I went ahead and matted somewhere. Oh my gosh, the Sassafras Lass is taking over. Okay, this with some fun orange. I will, Sassafras Lass is, like I said, discontinued, so it's kind of hard to find. I'm going to try to find similar brands or collections. If you like this kind of style, I'll post in my comments section or in my description. So if you want to check those out, if you know of other brands like this, will you just comment too? Because I'm sure we would all like to know. I'm going to build a kind of collage here. And I think that gives these funky stickers their own space and kind of lets you rest around the rest of the page without feeling bombarded with color like you've been shaken in a box of Mike and Ike's. That's how I feel. Okay, so we're gonna do some fun, happy strips, which I thought, man, I just got overwhelmed by my own stash here. Okay, this is kind of fun. And this is kind of the fun part. You get to kind of play with design, collage. You honestly can't mess this kind of style up because it's already kind of wacky. I might cut some, oh, I kind of like the stars. See, that's that other side. And look at how cute. They would have these strips you can cut off. Darling. I'm gonna cut off some of that. I just love it. I'm glad I'm getting to use it. I've been looking at it for about a week. Just haven't been sure where to even start with it because it's loud, you know what I mean? So let's cut some of this down just so it's not quite as tall as my page. And I kind of like this little chicken thing, the ABC chicken. Put them over here. Kind of do it however you want. Okay. Something like that. I kind of love it. So I'm going to just start layering. Here, get some art glitter glue. Stick that down. Stick that down. Get this strip here. It is a fun brand. I've used it in the past a few times. I feel like I probably still have a bunch of it laying around. Again, it's like it's almost one of those things you just keep. every once in a while I would just take it out, look at it, and just put it back. Okay, so let's do a picture maybe here. I think we need some fun stickers. So, I'm trying to think what I want. There's so many options. Like this little bird thing. I think I'll matte. I like matting stickers sometimes. It gives them a little bit more of a stability, and it also makes it easier if you want them raised, like with pop dots or cardboard underneath. If they're layered with a cardstock, it just gives them a little bit more oomph. There we go. And it's pretty easy to do. Now even more color, look at that. So we'll do that. I was kind of thinking of using some of these crocheted doilies too. It's like you almost just can't have enough because it's just so dang cute. I like the star. We'll do that, throw him on there. How about a cloud? A journaling cloud here. Cut those out. Doing some quick cuts, so if it doesn't look great, I apologize, but I don't want you to have like a 40-minute video of me cutting, so I'm trying to work quickly as if I always work this quickly, which I don't. Okay, so there's that. Let's do a cloud too. Who likes fussy cutting? Anyone? Everyone? I kind of love it and hate it. It really depends on my mood. Sometimes I'm all about it and I see like the world's potential in fussy cutting. Every napkin, every decoration, gift wrap, I'm like, oh my gosh, these are all embellishments, you know? And other times I'm like, ooh, too much time. I don't have this kind of time. Okay, so I'm gonna cut that. That's my cloud. And I'm gonna do some more layering. So I think I'm happy with the placement of this photo. Oh my gosh, I'm just throwing things around. This is because, as I say in almost all my videos, it's nap time, which means go time, but also you better hurry up because they will awaken quicker than you're ready for. Okay, so where did I put my cloud? This really should be live so people could help me and be like, there it is, it's behind you. Okay, so how about this up here? It's about a little this, a little that, a little star. I think I need some more of these guys. Not that one. That one? Maybe something like that. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so I'm gonna use my trusty trick, which I believe I've told you before if you've watched some of the other videos, which is to use cardboard for adhesive. Pop-up. So you can always recycle your cardboard and use it to pop up your project pieces. It's very handy. Once you've done it, I'm sure you will never go back to foam dots. Okay, so I'm gonna put that maybe up here. I'm trying to think. No, I've changed my mind. It's going down here. I want to kind of cover up this circle piece here. Okay. These crocheted flowers are cute. I got these on Amazon just this week. Ow, that's hot. I'll post a link to those too if you like those. They're cute, right? And I want to say like a whole baggie of them was like $7 maybe. I'm not sure. Let me post my little chicken person there. Right there. There we go. And there. Actually, I'm gonna give him another cardstock piece. That's also the nice thing about using cardstock is, or cardboard I should say, is you can add several layers depending on how high up you want it to sit, which is handy if you have really, really dimensional flowers, like I do sometimes with Prima and things like that. If I want them under my photo frames, it's nice to like just add a couple different layers of cardboard. There we go. And where'd my star go? There it is. Like it, it's so cute. I don't know where to put it. Up there? Yes. Okay. So we're almost done. The last thing I did was I tied off some buttons with some twine, or I should say DMC floss, see the green? And I'm gonna put these around here. You can also just sew these directly onto your page if you want, but I kind of like pre-tying them. That way I could just put them where I feel like it at the time. Okay, and I just glue it down. Gives it something over here so it's a little bit more balanced. Then I have another trick for you. Letter stickers. Love-hate relationship I have with letter stickers because I love them when I initially open them. Then I use all the fun letters and I have this for 2 years. So I want to put fun down here, but I noticed I have an F, a U, and no N. So I'm going to make one from my M. Have you all done this before too? Tried to see where you could find letters within the letters? It's kind of fun. Again, it's kind of like the cardboard thing or the plate. Once you've like figured out these hacks, you feel like really proud of yourself. Like, look at me. Look at me thinking outside the box. Look at that. No one would ever know that was an M. So there you go. There's your fun tip for the day. I'm gonna put that, and I'm gonna add a little bit of glue because these are older stickers. Like I said, I mean years old. I know the adhesive, you know, it's not a forever kind of thing. Have you noticed that too, where like stickers, if they're older sometimes, they just don't kind of stick as well. They get a little shifty. So I'm gonna do that. And let me see, what do you think? Does it need some more? Maybe like a heart, maybe some, gosh, there's just so many fun things on this. Maybe another star. Maybe poking out here. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna cut this a little bit. That way we could cheat and just tuck it in because that is glued down pretty well. So I'm gonna put that there. Then I'm gonna do a heart. A heart I'm gonna put with some backing. Do any of you craft in between? Whether it's kids sleeping, you have an hour lunch break. The urgency to like get everything done is like, it's pretty real. It's like an action movie. Or like a contestant show where it's like, you have 1 hour to scrapbook. Go! Your time starts now. It's basically how I feel. I do a little bit while they're awake, but everything definitely takes more time. So I'm gonna do that. Now, because this is small, I am gonna use a foam dot. So don't throw away your foam dots. They do have their place. Okay, so I'm gonna put that maybe here. And the reason I decided to add some embellishments here is because I accidentally got glue there. So in order to cover up that spot, boom, you just add more stuff. Beautiful, right? And then you could finish this off with like some liquid pearls, some little brads, some jewels. In fact, let me get some jewels. I kind of like these things. I don't even know if you can see it here. That's not a good example. Look, they're like, they almost look like little rain dots. Aren't those cute? I literally never use them, but I found that with this kind of paper in style, they work perfectly. Look at how cute. I think I've had these, I'm not even joking, probably 7 years. They don't really work with my traditional like vintage style pages, but of course, you know, we're crafters. We never throw anything away ever. Even if we hate it, you're like, oh, somebody gave me this. Well, you know what? You never know. I'm just gonna keep it. I will keep it in a closet and just keep shoving it around because you never know. Okay, so I'm gonna put those there. And maybe another couple. These are really cute. I don't even know what brand this is. Does anybody know what this is? I've had it so long. Let me show you again. Does anybody know this brand? It's cute, right? It may be like a Queen and Company or Doodlebug, I want to say. Seems like something they would do. Okay, and there's my page. Done. Nailed it. What do you think? Does that make sense? Like I mean, I'm not like the voice of authority or anything, but like the idea of having a break around the page and all the fun stuff like clustered up. I think it just makes it look cute and interesting without being nauseating. My other sample I wanted to show you was this one. This is what I made last night. So cute, right? This paper, I just can't even. It's like I want to pinch its cheeks. It's so cute. But I didn't want to put pattern paper with pattern paper with pattern paper, and then you don't even know what you're looking at anymore because it's just a jumble. So I used this yellow cardstock as my base for the actual photo mounts. So that way you could really see the print without it being covered up. And then I put a couple of those little embellishments in those same green stickers that I have never used before this week. And I think it looks great. I love it. And then one other tip, just an easy one. If you do pre-made pages like this, which I do because I sell them. In fact, these will be for sale. Click the listing description if you are interested. It'll take you to my shops. So people could put their own photos in it. So I like to not glue sides that overlap. So that way when people get home, they can put their picture on both pieces. Do you see what I'm saying? Same with if you want to build these in advance and just put your photos in when you're ready. Just be cognizant of where you're putting glue when things overlap like this. Otherwise, if you're putting your photos down at the same time, it doesn't matter. You could even put stickers on top. So that's my quick tutorial today. I say quick, I don't even know what the time is because I can't see my phone. But I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had fun. This is definitely a fun collection. Fun colors. It's snowing outside literally as I look out my window. So this is kind of a fun pop of color for the winter season. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Leave me your comments, questions, tips, whatever. Check it out and try it out. Let's make some stuff. Bye.